stop.
Oh, shut up.
What?
Do something for the camera.
Please, let's stop him.
Stop what?
He's gonna take a picture of me.
No. Oh.
Whoa, that was close. Oh, man. Come here, vampire. Don't get me, vampire.
She's not a vampire, she's my sister.
She's a vampire. She's Twilight.
Huh?
Vampires aren't.
Oh, it's recording a video. Oh.
Vampires aren't.
Angelina, you left her.
I know, just wait, Angelina. I'm looking it up.
Vampires are not emo.
Yes, they are. They cry every night.
No, they don't.
OMG.
Do something for the camera.
Who?
Angelina. What is that look?
This one looks like a vampire with sharp teeth.
Let me see your sharp teeth.
No.
Show me your sharp teeth.
Can't.
Come on. Oh. There they are. Let me see your sharp teeth, Angelina. Angelina. Whatever your name is.
You got her my name.
Uh-huh.
Can I wash your hair?